YouTube, what's going on? It is Tuesday, November 26th, 6:57 Eastern PM time. We've passed our 5 TopStep 150K combines early this morning. Yesterday's video is shows the highlight of that. Here's the accounts here. We're about to set these up. 5 150K Express, all with a zero balance. We'll just go in here and set up copy trading so that we are ready to roll. There we go. Switch this. And here's something I found very interesting. So this one account here got it all the way down to basically $371.50 left until it was blown. And I made exactly $3.28 more than I needed to the penny. So I just thought that was pretty wild. Being so $371.50 away from blowing it, 45.0164, and then target smashed. Needed to make an extra $3.28, and I did exactly that to the dollar. The other accounts I didn't weren't as close. I mean, this is dead on, obviously, but the other ones, look at this. This one was 362.66 away from being blown, and we just passed it. That says trading. So you can see these were all 8 days to get these accounts. This one's also 371. Oh, no, this is the first account. But yeah, tomorrow or later today we start. Actually, we got our gap down a little bit. Here's the high. So what did I mark out for the Asian session? This is the high. This is the low. Now between 6 and 7. Now between 7 and 9, I want to see the higher low get swept. The higher low gets swept in here, come back into the range with momentum, and then trade back down to the bottom, or if it takes out the bottom first, sweep up, take out the top, the highs, and capture that. It's going to be a small move today. 30 points. 29 and... But, yeah, that's it. We're going to see how we go, and we're going to trade these nice and slow, and we're ready to go. So, we'll see how the rest of this video goes. YouTube, what's going on? Here we are, 10:51 a.m. Eastern Time. First day of our 5 150K XFA Topstep accounts. Here you can see all 5 here. We did some trades. We are up $2,600 roughly per account. Here's account 1, follower account 2, account 3, 2610, account 4, 2595, account 5, 2602. So roughly 13,000. So roughly 13,000, 13.1 or so. This is day 1. I'm gonna try to document daily, possibly, and just build these up. I don't know when I'll request a payout. I don't want to do it exactly on day 5, depending what the balance is. Today is just astronomical. I was not expecting this amount of money. I didn't expect to take this many trades. But here was my trade originally for the start of the day. It happened actually last night, around 8 p.m. last night. I went short for 2 contracts. This was was already going negative, like $80. So this was another short to average down with my stop right up above this high. So it was a short, small risk to lower the cost. And then my London trade, I actually thought I read it wrong. I got stopped out. And went short way up here. So 986, and we're all the way down here now at 728. So over 200 points. So you can see all these different trades here. I started out going short 2 micros, added 1. Here we are, stopped out. Go back in, 3, 5. So now I was getting comfortable with 5s. Okay, I got a little bit of profit. Let me go from 2. Let me start at 5. 5. Okay, we're good. We're 10s. 10 micros. You say, oh, why don't you just do 1 mini? I usually like to scale in, scale out. But here I was just going 10, and I was getting stopped out. I tend to put my aggressive stop loss. I want to get as much profit as I can. It does cost me, I guess, a bit here. So here you go. You got the 930 open, just bleeds red, and we're just down from here. So you can just see we just smashed the 20 seconds equilibrium. So I marked these all out and use the indicator. So the 20-second low, are we going to go and get that? We'll see. So if here's the equilibrium of the 20-second, here's the 20 seconds low, we're already, I would say, halfway between there. So there's a good chance we're going to dip down even further. This right here is a 15-minute fair value gap that goes back, let's see. This goes back all the way to the 21st. So there's a good chance we might dip back in there, grab some liquidity before we run back up. Or do we just keep melting? Don't know, don't care, because I'm going to be done for the day. Again, up 13 grand on day 1 of these brand new 150K XFAs, Topstep. This is a good way to start. Don't want to think too far ahead, but hopefully we could just... I'm just looking for between 400 to 600 a day. But again, these were just bleeding red. This is just a trending day, just red, selling off. So don't be looking for buys. I didn't take any buys. So this is a good day where you just capture all of it. I would have got, probably would have caught all this earlier, but I was getting a haircut. I don't know if you can see from earlier in the video to what I have now. Got a haircut. So it's the same day, same video or whatever. Yeah. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I don't know if I'll trade tonight while at work. See how the market is. It is early close, but we'll see how slow the market's moving. I might just wait until Monday. Pick it up, but we'll see how it is. Day 1 complete. Call it a day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hopefully more red days like this or just follow through, and then December starts and we just go green and just up, and we keep catching these good trending days. I don't want to be caught up in a chop like yesterday. Yesterday I was done early and didn't have to trade all the chop from yesterday. I've seen a lot of people post videos here on YouTube how they got chopped up yesterday. I'm glad I was not one of them. But today was an excellent day. 13K on a day. I'll call it. Thanks. Peace. All right, YouTube, look at that. Earlier in this video, I said, all right, we're going to test this down. So I took it for 20 micros, 2 minis. I sold here at 739.75. Right here, it melted. Look at that. I closed at 728. So I closed 728.25. I closed right here, and it still went down to the bottom here at 604.75. So another 24 points I missed out on. But as you can see, up 3K on each of the accounts. 3,042, 3,045, 3,030, 3,037, and then the lead account was 3,052. 15K day one. Done. For real. For real, for real. I'm not adding to this video. We're done. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm back. We're going to do this daily. I don't know about trading tomorrow, but we'll be back on Monday at the very least. So thanks for watching.